This is a short video showing you how to find extensions for the GitHub CLI without leaving the comfort of your terminal. The GitHub CLI is GitHub in your terminal with commands for doing lots of common GitHub things. And extensions provide custom commands, either written by GitHub or third parties, that allow GH to do even more. So to find extensions, we have two different commands that you can run. One is called browse. So if I run ghext browse, I get an interactive interface, and on the left side a list of extension repositories, and on the right side the README for whatever extension I have highlighted. If I want to get a closer look at any extension, I can hit enter and scroll the README with page up and page down. And I can filter this list down by pressing slash. So if I type my own name, we can see all of my extensions, and I can arrow down to one of these and actually install it by pressing the I key. I can similarly remove anything that's already installed by pressing R. We have a non-interactive way to do the same operations, and that starts with the command ghext search. Search is a more traditional command that lists out extensions in a tabular format, and you can add a search term to narrow this list down. So I could search for this term, get one result back. I can also get all of the extensions by specifying a high limit, which takes a little bit, naturally. And of course, by virtue of this being a kind of traditional command line command, you can pipe this output to, say, grep or to cut or whatever you'd like. If you see an extension that appeals to you, then you have the ghext install command, and you can use that in conjunction with remove to manage whatever you see in the output of ext search. So go forth, find some interesting commands, install them, and play with them. Thanks for watching.